Hello and welcome to Literacy Lifestyle, where I share how I use language, numbers, and my background as an educator to become intentionally rich in every way. If your goals align with mine, stay tuned. All right, so today we are doing an unboxing from Baddies and Budgets, one of my favorite brands, as you can see if you recognize any of those things there. So I already cut open the side to facilitate this process. So let's dive right in. Okay, so I have the envelopes here, the wallet, and these cute dashboards I'm going to show you shortly. So another thing I got, this beautiful wallet. It's a thin cash wallet. And then every order is kindly packaged with a new Baddies and Budgets pen that writes so nicely, and then a double-sided Sharpie. So here you have the fine tip point, and here you have more of your regular medium point. So I love those. I have quite a few of those now. Take this off. Okay, so before we look at the purple wallet, I got this royal blue wallet because I figured this would be a great thing for me to use when I'm transporting my cash to and from the bank. This is also a nice slim way for me to just keep track of my cards and cash. And from what I read in the reviews, it holds so much more than it looks like it would hold. So it's just this really great quality wallet. And I got this during the 50% off sale. So I figured I was very excited about this, and I will be using this at least twice a month. So then, this is probably the thing I'm most excited about. The beautiful croc fabric. It's a purple, which is out of my comfort zone a bit because I always get pinks or blacks. But it's just absolutely gorgeous. I love the rose gold finish and all the little accessories. Now here is this kind of breakdown of the wallet and what everything does. And here are the envelopes with the cutest little dashboards that are a mini version of the dashboards located in my larger binders. So for example, here's an A6 that I use for more immediate things. Here's the Intentionally Rich. Look at how cute, so cute. So here we have the Intentionally Rich dashboard and the In My Rich Era dashboard, so beautifully made. And then here we have the cutest envelopes made out of, or made with this like black vinyl in this beautiful font. So I'm going to organize them based on priority. So for me in my wallet, my spending money, of course, spending for me is the first thing that I put in there. So I'm gonna put that face down. Then next, for me personally, eating out is my next priority. Then for my spending money, I would say household is next. Then I would say miscellaneous. And then I would say groceries, because we use Instacart all the time, so we typically use our card. But if I happen to run into a store for one or two things, that's a rare occurrence. I'm gonna put groceries back here. And then gas is going to be last because I always use my card for gas. So I may end up transitioning to using cash for gas, but right now this won't necessarily be filled. So I put that here. And then these super cute little dashboards I can use as dividers, or I can just kind of pop them in whenever. So I am going to put my Rich Era and my Rich Era here for spending. And then I'm separating this based off of how often I will be using these. So I'm gonna put this this divider right in front of groceries, because again, groceries and gas are probably the two that I want to use. Now, with this wallet, there wasn't the option to customize the envelopes, which is why there's two categories in here that I really won't be using. Actually, I do really like the Intentionally Rich divider better than the In My Rich Era, so I'm gonna swap those. So as I mentioned before, for this specific wallet, there wasn't the option to customize, but I do have another wallet I've been using from Baddies and Budgets from the Budget Duo that I could customize, and I did. So I'm gonna show you what that looks like, and we'll compare this new wallet of mine to that one, which honestly isn't old. It's just different. Just got it maybe a month ago. Okay, so these envelopes have the little hole punches, but they weren't cleared, so I have to kind of clear them through while I am putting my envelopes in the binder. With my other wallet from the Budget Duo that I got, that one, it was already in the binder. Now, if you haven't noticed, these envelopes have the zippers. So my first experiences with the zippers helped me realize that sometimes you have to stagger the zippers in a wallet or binder that's kind of more snug with a snug button, because if not, it could be challenging to close compared to binders like my main binders that don't have zipper closures. They're just like a slot. I'll show you what I mean by that. So I am just trying to punch these little holes through. Okay, got those in. Close my binder. And here is my beautiful wallet. So I have my Intentionally Rich dashboard. We have spending, eating out, household, miscellaneous, then another little division for groceries and gas, because again, I really don't cash stuff for that at the moment. So here's just this beautiful wallet. So see what I mean by the closures though, right? I had to stagger the zippers, and there's no money in here yet. I had to stagger the zippers here, and I'm having to stagger a little bit more as well in order to effectively close each section. So I'm gonna put this clip over here too. So staggered. I'm turning it this way, and then it's still it's tense here, right? Like there's some tension, but I got it closed, very secure close. But again, that's with no money in here. So that's something I noticed with this wallet as well, which I got from Baddies and Budgets. So I have these both. This one also, again, snug fit here to close. I don't know if that's intentional or not, but it really just makes it a little challenging to use the zipper enclosures for these wallets. You'll notice for this one, I actually do have money in there because I've been using this one. So this one is also shiny, but not the same croc finish. It is this beautiful pink, which is just more in my wheelhouse. You'll notice that the hardware is gold versus the rose gold here, so a pleasant change. Here is where I normally keep my license and my most used card, so my debit card, credit card, but I took that out for privacy reasons, of course. So these envelope categories, the font is much larger, but they were custom, so I was able to type in exactly what I wanted. Whereas here, beautiful, but not custom. I do like the smaller font on this wallet though. So here I have shopping, and there's a little bit of shopping money there. I have coffee, which I need to finish that card there. Dining, and then my name, and then there's two back here for my kids' names. So, and I use those for one-on-one time with my kids. So this wallet did come with an insert. So it came with this insert, which would be the equivalent to this. But when I put this insert in, it's very challenging for me to close the wallet, just like it's a little challenging here. So I'm gonna open this wallet and try again. Let me close this one. So when I open this wallet, put that here. So I have this here. It doesn't have the open dashboard for encouragement or another driver's license, but it does have 3 more card slots, and then it has a space for coins. I just sometimes will put the coins in these envelopes. So I like these envelopes. I think they are nice and they work with the aesthetic, but I do prefer the clear. So when I close it, you can see that the wallet kind of opens up a little bit. This way, it's a little wider to accommodate for these zipper enclosures. But otherwise, oh, and you don't see that here because I staggered the zippers. So let me see. So when I put all of the zippers to the left, I think it has the same issue. Let me see. Yep. It's trying to accommodate for all of these zippers, and thus it's much more narrow on the bottom. So it's fine for me to stagger these now that there's no money in here, but when there's money in here, the last thing I want to do is stagger them to make sure that I'm not risking losing anything. So I'm going to stagger them for now. If you use these types of wallets and you have the same issue, let me know in the comments. So let me know which wallet you prefer and which one you think I should continue using. Should I continue using my pink one that I've started using, or should I switch over to my new purple one soon? Pop it in the comments. Thank you if you've gotten this far. And please hit subscribe if you haven't done so already to check out my journey towards literacy in every aspect with the focus on finances. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.